Bogura is one of the traditional district town in northern Bangladesh. Pundranagar, the ancient capital of Bengal, is situated here. To provide a quality education, TMSS Medical College has started 5 years MBBS and BDS courses in 2008 and 2012 respectively in these traditional cities. TMSS Medical College, approved by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of People Republic of Bangladesh, affiliation by the Rajshahi Medical University, recognition by the Bangladesh Medical and Dental Council (BM&DC), listed in HINARI WHO, which will enable our students to access to the major journals, enlisted in the World Directory of Medical School published by WHO, recognition by the Medical Council of India, Nepal, Maldives, Bhutan.
TMSS Medical College is one of the best colleges in North Bengal. Among Rajshahi University as well as Rajshahi Medical University, TMSS Medical College stood first in many times. As the students of TMSS Medical College are very meritorious, as well as they are very dedicated to learn their lesson. As they come from different arena of this country as well as the our neighboring country like Nepal, Sri Lanka, Maldives and India. TMSS is a trustee organization. The aim and objective of this organization to build human being, to develop human capacity, especially the technical capacity like medical technical education. So, I am very happy to TMSS Medical College, and I think government is also happy. That is why post MBBS training course is approved in TMSS Medical College.
At present, 199 qualified teachers are providing quality education to 773 foreign and local students in the 222,000 square feet 7-storied building equipped with modern facilities of TMSS Medical College. 135 students are enrolled in MBBS and another 50 are enrolled in BDS courses each year, 50% of which is allocated for foreign students.
I am Inter Dr. Tasnim Akhtar from the 5th batch of TMSS Medical College. I consider myself lucky to be a part of this institution, as this medical college provides all the modern facilities that a good medical college should have so that they can produce a good number of quality doctors.
TMSS Medical College consists of 28 departments, 35 classrooms, 10 laboratories and 4 museums. There are also 4 large lecture galleries and a huge seminar hall. This great infrastructure plays an important role to provide the students a quality education.
We have sufficient lab, classroom and museums. Apart from this, we also have a modern library with 200 seat capacity and more than 4,000 medical books.
We have also a computer lab where we can learn about updated medical information.
TMSS Medical College Hospital is known as Rafatullah Community Hospital. The 750-bed hospital has specialized departments with modern equipment. There are 14 indoor and 5 outdoor operation theaters. At least a total of 600 patients come here daily to take modern services from this 19-storied 720,000 square feet hospital. It's worth mention here that more than 200,000 patients have taken medical services from this hospital in 2018. All of these facilitate the students to have a practical education.
Medical hospital is the good place because the number of the patients here are very good. There as well as there are varieties of the patient here. There are a lot of instruments in every department here in TMSS Medical College. All the departments are well equipped and rich of resources. So for the foreign students like us, I think TMSS Medical College is the best.
TMSS Medical College gives special importance to ensuring the quality of education. To ensure quality education, TMSS Medical College has a quality assurance body, QAB.
Small group teaching of the students, teachers evaluation, students evaluation, sending academic performance reports to the guardians on quarterly basis, annual parents meeting, other co-curricular activities are executed regularly.
We have made academic calendar according to the course curriculum and syllabus established by BMDC, and it is practiced for about 3 years, and it is complete academic calendar.
TMSS Medical College and Rafatullah Community Hospital also organizes national and international seminars, symposiums, workshops, etc. regularly. Students take part in these programs regularly. TMSS Medical College has 2 hostels for the international and 2 hostels for the local students. Moreover, it has 1 female hostel each for the international and local students. All of these hostels have adequate security setups.
Within our tuition fee, the fooding and lodging is included, so we should not lost our time in cooking. Especially we have common room, and we have studying room as well, so we can study in study room while we feel bored in our room.
For the intellectual development of the student, Student Week is observed here, where they take part in a week-long sports and cultural affairs. TMSS Medical College reserves 50% seats for the foreign students, and therefore there is a 24-hour foreign desk for them.
Warmest greetings from the TMSS Medical College, which is one of the largest non-government medical colleges in Bangladesh. As the head of the foreign student desk, which is a very effective organ of TMSS, provide an effective role in entire admission procedure and also take care of the student in all aspects throughout their study period. Foreign student desk provides 24 hours services to the all sorts of query from the students or guardian, either through the telephone, email or through online.
Assuring quality medical education in a 750-bed hospital with the coalition of national and international organizations has made TMSS Medical College an important educational institution. It can be said that TMSS Medical College is one of the best private medical colleges in the country.
TMSS Medical College from its beginning is working for making this institute as a center of excellence for education and health services. We are admitting the foreign student from 2012, and with the vision that we make this medical college in a world standards. Already we have collaboration in different foreign country medical educational institutions in India, in Nepal and USA, in different countries. Actually our vision that we make it a world-class educational institute for the medical students.
Contact for admission